$1 trillion? That's a number so big, it could buy every tech company on the stock market. But how do we get there? Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It started small, but now, it's picking up speed. That's more jobs than people in a small city. AI isn't just replacing, it's creating. That's like comparing a sprinter to a snail. AI is not just running, it's flying. From a $10 billion investment to over $190 billion. From 1 million jobs to creating nearly 1 million more. This is AI's rise. Think of it as a $150 billion savings account. AI isn't just spending, it's saving. Think of AI as a master chef. It's not just cooking, it's making sure every dish is perfect. That's like adding $600 billion to the world's biggest shopping mall. AI isn't just selling, it's creating a new retail universe. Think of AI as a superhero. It's strong, but it has to navigate a world with rules and dangers. Think of AI as a tool. It's not about taking away, it's about making better. Think about the next big AI-driven shift. Will it be in health, retail, or something else? The growth in AI jobs is not just a trend. It's accelerating, with more opportunities than ever before. Think of AI as the engine that propels us forward, driving economic growth and transformation. The economic impact of AI is broad and deep. From healthcare to manufacturing, each sector stands to gain significantly. $1 trillion? That's a number so big, it could buy every tech company on the stock market. But how do we get there? It's in your hands.